At Hilti, you can be who you are and feel proud of it. Well, Hilti is a multinational company and it's a very unique expertise environment to work for, and you enjoy while you continue servicing this kind of company. My name is Ali Rashid. I'm working for Hilti more than 11 years now. I'm holding position of government relation manager, and I'm happy to continue serving this company. The company is growing by their expertise and knowledge and participation of their employee. Something great about Hilti that from time to time it's getting modern about technology, about the way of doing things, and by sharing knowledge and the change of the position always, this is develop the employees. Actually, the company is very diverse and they are pushing for diversity, especially in mixed nationality and mixed gender. And they are focusing in the recent time for the improving the female percentage in the company, and also promoting to have more Emiratis in the company. Well, Hilti is a company celebrating the culture, and you can bring your culture and celebrate it, share it with other employee who's interested to know more about the different culture. And this really good place to work for. At Hilti, you can be who you are and feel proud of it.